वो मोबाइल उठा के फेंक दो बाहर प्लीज, टीवी उठा के पहले फाड़ो फेंको। मैं तो हर एक मेरा स्कूल में बच्चों को बोलती थी, माँ बाप को बोलती प्लीज वो मोबाइल उठा के बाहर को मोबाइल कबड़ में रखो, 2 घंटा बच्चे के साथ स्पेंड करो।
ये कहानियाँ किसी स्क्रिप्ट राइटर ने नहीं लिखी हैं। ये असली जिंदगियों के वो पन्ने हैं जो वक्त के साथ कहीं छुप गए हैं। ये सीरीज एक सफ़र है पुरानी यादों, नए नज़रियों और जीने के असली जज्बे का। हमारे आज के एपिसोड में हम मिलेंगे मिस उषा अय्यर से, एक गुजराती बेटी, एक तमिलियन बहू, एक माँ और एक टीचर जिन्होंने 35 सालों तक सिर्फ पढ़ाया ही नहीं, जिंदगी जीकर दिखाई है। बचपन के सपने, इंटरकास्ट प्यार, एक नए परिवार को अपनाना और अपने दोनों बच्चों को साथ पढ़ाना और कितना कुछ जो कभी कहा ना। चलिए आज सुनते हैं एक और अनसुनी कहानी उनके ज़माने में, ना हमारे ज़माने में। You don't take Ola Ubers and all over? You don't travel by Ola Uber and
I
stuff?
travel by Ola only.
Yeah?
I never go by train and all. Please, twice, thrice when I came by Ola because I had to bring my clock and few things because I didn't want them to buy frame and all. तोड़ देगा वो, तो कांच का और मेरा थोड़ा सी चीज था, मैं खुद से लेके आया।
Got it. But
ओला में ही आता था मैं, ओला में।
you don't feel like, because you're obviously traveling alone, you don't feel like, obviously थोड़ा risky है, I should drive by myself and
I'm a
stuff.
proper मुंबईकर, born and brought up। मैं रात को 2 बजे ट्रैवल किया है मुंबई में। पुणे में से रात को 1:45 बजे बस से उतर के मेरे टैक्सी में, रिक्शा में घर गया है।
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Please, I'm a Mumbai. Sangeeta was in Symbiosis,
हाँ.
and she wanted to. Saturday after school, 12:30, I left. उधर से बस पकड़ के।
How old, which year was this?
Symbiosis was which year?
2009 she had joined
Yeah.
college.
So I was still working ना, गोदरी मेरा चालू था।
हाँ,
I was
correct.
alone. Abhishek was in Kharagpur.
Correct.
तो मैं गया स्कूल से डायरेक्टली उधर चेंबूर by rickshaw, took a bus from there to Pune. She wanted me to come along. Mummy, I want to buy a dress and you come along to buy a dress for me.
Okay.
तो मैं गया, फिर हम लोग फैब इंडिया गया, उसके लिए कपड़ा सब खरीदा। I said, I'm not coming back. I'm going back because I want to do Sunday my work and Monday I have to go back to school. तो मैं रात को लास्ट 11:30 का बस, मतलब 1:45 बजे मैं सायन का सर्कल में उतरा और मैं रिक्शा में घर आया।
Are you serious?
Oh please, मैं मुंबई का है। मुंबई is not a place to be scared of anything. मैं रात को 2-2:30 बजे घर आया है।
तो this you must have been at this all your life, ना?
I've done all my life like this.
मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि
मैं और संयुक्ता रात को चल के थिएटर जाता था रात को 11 बजे का शो में, 2 बजे आता था घर पे।
That's also इसलिए भी हुआ रहेगा क्योंकि आपने लाइफ टाइम अकेले ही ज़्यादातर टाइम निकाला है ना। अंकल कहाँ थे बॉम्बे में? अंकल तो ज़्यादातर बहरीन में ही थे।
Yes, and he's not that person who will like to do all these adventurous things like the wife.
But have you ever done a night adventure with him? As in not that ways, but probably stepping out in the night and done night outs with him.
Interested. And
No?
he in fact is saying, तुम लोग माँ बेटी क्या कर रहे हो बाबा, घर जल्दी जाओ, ये क्या है तुम लोग इतना लेट घूम रहे हो करके। He used to worry about actually.
Yeah?
Yeah, he worries like that.
But
But I'm a very bold person.
That too I know you're a bold
and
person.
bold.
That I've
Highly
always known.
independent and highly bold person. So I'm not worried about all this. And I've been I give full credit to my mother for that.
yeah.
Yeah.
So now that you brought up your mother, I want to really, माँ से तो हर चीज़ की स्टार्ट होती है, right? How did life really start for you? Like, where were you born? Like, can you somewhere talk to me about, or tell me कि how was your childhood like?
My childhood was a very happy childhood.
Okay.
Because we were innocent. We did not know anything what is happening in the house.
कौन से साल में पैदा हुए आप?
1960.
Okay.
And my grandfather, like my father's father, was a gynecologist wo zamane ke.
Okay.
He had gone to London in those days in 1905 and all. He was that time.
Okay.
वो जमाने का.
हाँ.
So what happened, because he had a gynecologist hospital himself down, and he used to live up on the first floor. So every time my mom would deliver, she had to go there for delivery.
क्या बात कर रहे हो आप?
Yeah, it was a
Okay.
very sad thing.
Okay.
And so my birth certificate had in Gujarati that born in Balasinor, and my weight and date of birth and all. And then mom used to come back within 1 month or 45 days or whatever. And that's how we used to. So most of us were born in Balasinor. And then mom used to come back here because it was free delivery and free, and Gynakman's grandfather was there.
Correct.
So that was kind of, but I had a very nice life because my mom was like, you know, though she would speak less, but she was chalta, firta, like, you know, always saying phrases and always like, घर में सिखाने का काम सब, all the time, like, you know, how phrases I still repeat. I said, Sharda used to say this, Sharda used to say this. I tell my children, I keep on saying, you remember Sharda's dialogue? What she would say like that. So I keep on repeating those things with my. So till few years we were innocent, like we did not know what is happening, the condition of the house or the monetary position of the house and all that. Till 7th, 8th, 9th standard, like we were okay, we were very happy and all. Slowly in 8th and 9th standard, I realized that we are very, like we don't have that financial strength in our house. Like we are about 5 people and 7 of us in the house. And
so you have 5 brothers and sisters?
Yeah, we have 5 brothers and sisters, and like father is the only sole earner, and he was also a government servant.
Okay.
Government, working for the government. Like. So salary was also less, and like mom used to really very sweetly, she would equally divide everything and give all of us. There were no fights among brothers and sisters. Nothing of that sort ever happened in our life. And but slowly when we realized, things became like very understanding towards my father, my mother and all that, because how she struggled and how she brought us up so lovingly and all that, and never criticized her in her life. She never criticized anybody in her life till her death. She never said a bad word about anyone.
She was grateful about everything.
Everything, like, you know, I would say, Mom, you want to say something? No, I don't want to say anything. Towards the end, she stayed with me. The last 2 years of her life, she stayed with me. Because my brother acted in a very funny manner, and also I brought her, and she stayed with me, and she passed away in my house.
Okay. How old was she?
She was 77 or 76 something, 76, 77. 2002, October 20th, 2002, she passed away. So there is not a single day goes by where I don't remember her or my mother-in-law. Both of them are here. Yeah. So I can always say one thing, that the strongest influence in my life has been women.
And so that's what's gone forward as well.
Yes.
Correct.
It's the women power and the women who have really made me so great in my life. Their strength, the way they led me, and the way I've progressed. So mummy was the one, and then my mother-in-law. Before my mother-in-law, my principal, my school principal, Jyotsna Ben Mehta. The second one was Miss Shireen Choksi. My mother-in-law, I give full credit to them. And my husband. Really my husband. Because he brought balance in my life. Whatever said and done, he was one balanced person.
But you told me about your life until 7th and 8th standard.
Yeah. Then after 8th standard, when
tell me more about your आपके भाइयों और बहनों में कैसा था, like were they all also into as much as education as you were?
Yes, we were all into education. Really, we were all into education because my mom insisted कि घरनु काम नहीं करो, पढ़ो, because I did not study, so see my halat today. And my mom actually was in a pathshala in those days where she learned Sanskrit, and she didn't want to marry. She wanted to go into Sanskrit and study and do something, but her parents
पढ़ने का मौका नहीं मिला.
पढ़ने का मौका छोड़ना, उन लोगों को बच्चे लोगों को पढ़ाते नहीं थे, तो she learned Sanskrit. My mom used to भगवद गीता का 16 chapters she knew by heart.
तो उस हिसाब से तो हम अनपढ़ हुए ना, क्योंकि
हमको
भगवद गीता आता ही नहीं.
नहीं आता था. But you know, and if you see her now, I used to always observe my mother while making khana or whatever, she would only have this mantras, saying mantras only prayers. कुछ भी दुनिया का उसको पढ़ा नहीं था.
मेरे को एक बात आज तक नहीं समझी है. What's your name?
Usha.
Usha what?
Usha Shah. I was.
What's your name now?
Usha Iyer.
तो ये you are a Gujarati, a very traditional Gujarati.
Proper traditional Gujarati.
How was it living in a traditional Gujarati household? Probably बताओ ना मुझे कि ऐसे कुछ कहानी बताओ जो आपने
कभी कांदा लहसुन हमारे घर में आया ही नहीं था.
मतलब कभी आपने छुआ ही नहीं था?
कभी छुआ भी नहीं.
आप क्या जैन गुजराती थे?
नो, प्रॉपर वैष्णव गुजराती.
मेरी बीवी भी वैष्णव गुजराती है.
तो हम लोग कांदा लहसुन हम लोग ने कभी नहीं खाया. पापा ने भी, हम लोग किसी ने कांदा लहसुन घर में खाया नहीं. In 12th standard, in 11th standard also I did not eat kanda lasun.
तो क्या it was like non-veg? It was considered as
मम्मी
non-veg?
वैष्णव था ना, हम लोग वैष्णव मीन्स क्या, श्रीनाथ जी कृष्णा,
समझ गया.
तो श्रीनाथ, तो हम लोग कभी कांदा लहसुन मम्मी ने कभी खाया नहीं, हम लोग ने कभी खाया नहीं.
हाँ.
इन 12th standard when I was in Nursi Monji college and I used to leave my house very early because I had, looking at the financial condition, I took up a job in the morning 3-4 hours in a nursery school. One of my friend who was, I used to started taking tuitions also from 10th
तो
standard
जब आप
onwards.
स्कूल में थे तब से आप ट्यूशन देना चालू कर दिए थे?
9th standard से मेरी ट्यूशन लेने को शादी. I had a school college friend थी, तो उसका भाई था, तो बोले मेरे भाई को पढ़ाओगे? I said yeah, I'll teach. So I started teaching in 9th standard only. When I was in 9th standard, I started taking tuitions.
तो आप क्या ये बोलना चाह रहे हो, जैसे लाइक हमारे जनरेशन में सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि लोगों को क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि मुझे क्या करना है लाइफ में. आपको 9th स्टैंडर्ड में पता चल गया था कि मुझे टीचर बनना है? क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
9th standard में मैंने ट्यूशन लेने को शुरू किया. ओके, वो बच्चे का. He was in 6th standard, I was in 9th standard. I started taking tuitions. After that, when I was in 11th standard, I never asked for tuition money or my college fees from my father. Because I know that. So मैं 11th standard के बाद 11th में ही I met one lady, Mrs. Shah, in my lane only. उसकी दो बेटे, I don't know how I met her and all that. So she had 2 boys. So I started taking her tuitions, her boys' tuition.
English tuition.
हाँ, English
tuition.
School students, 4th standard they were. Started taking. Her friend circle were all super duper rich Vilipala area. बाजू में ही था. तो आई स्टार्टेड टेकिंग ट्यूशंस एंड आई नेवर यूज्ड टू टेक फीस फ्रॉम देम. आई सेड आप पैसा रखो, मेरे फीस भरने के टाइम आप मुझे दो.
बार्टर है.
हाँ, तो वैसा मैं करती थी एंड दे यूज्ड टू पे मी बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ आई डिड. देन आई जॉइन इन 12th standard. देयर वाज दिस स्कूल इन द ऑपोजिट पॉलीटेक्निक, दैट
पॉलीटेक्निक
कॉलेज, और मेरा वही लेन में एंड ऑफ द रोड वाज माय नर्सी मंजी कॉलेज. So I used to go in the morning at 9 o'clock there. College used to be in the afternoon, 11, 12 in those days. 12 बजे शुरू होता था college, 12 to 6 and 12 to 5 the college used to be there. So in 11th standard, I started, 11th or 12th, I started teaching. 60 rupees मुझे देता था महीने के. So I used to get that 60 rupees and I used to go to, and then I used to have one sandwich from the sandwich wala, opposite Nursi Monji college.
60 रुपीस क्या पॉकेट मनी थी आपकी?
60 रुपीज़ और मैं पॉकेट मनी, बिकॉज मेरा जो वो आता था
समझा मैं.
हाँ, तो कॉलेज जो मिलता था वो, तो उससे मेरा ड्रेस भी मैं ले लेती थी कभी कुछ कॉलेज के लिए, बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू हैव ओनली 3 or 4 ड्रेसेस इन कॉलेज. सो आई यूज्ड टू बाय दैट. देन आई वेंट टू दैट आई डिड इन 12th standard. I met one professor in the college. So he thought I'm very much interested in all that. So he used to run a coaching class in Santa Cruz area.
ठीक है.
So he said you can come in the evening. 2 hours, 3 hours you come and you can study with me accountancy there. Because
Okay.
I was a BCom student.
Okay.
So free में पढ़ने को भी मिलेगा and you can handle little bit मेरा काम थोड़ा बहुत.
तो आपको स्कॉलरशिप मिल गई एक हिसाब से?
I mean scholarship academy था उसका नाम. And उसने बोला आप मेरा क्लास भी अटेंड करो और मुझे थोड़ा हेल्प भी करो उधर फोन उठाने में या कुछ स्टूडेंट्स का कुछ इंक्वायरी होगा वैसा करके. तो आई जॉइन दैट एंड लकीली देयर वाज अनदर टीचर यूज्ड टू कम टू टीच. तो उसने मुझे, उसका एक कोई फैमिली था खार में. So I used to go from Scholars Academy in the evening after leaving at 7:38. I used to go to car walking because वो जमाने में taxi afford नहीं करते, रिक्शास था नहीं. There were no telephones also. So I used to go walking to car very close by, about 20 minutes walk. Teach those children and take a BST bus from there to Vilipala back home.
Okay.
So around 9:30 I used to reach home. 7 o'clock I used to leave in the morning and 9. So mom used to pack my flask. She used to give me chapati, something. She used to pack and give me. But I used to eat little sandwich outside, nothing else. I was a fast walker. I was slim and trim. Kept myself very healthy and proper Gujarati घर का खाना. That's how I started learning कांदा लहसुन थोड़ा खाने को शुरू किया.
समझा मैं.
हाँ, घर में मम्मी ने कभी लाया ही नहीं, हमने कभी खाया भी नहीं. And then once I met Ram, that was in BCom final year BCom के बाद. Then I started making, then I brought kanda, lasun and started making food and all, and we used to meet every evening. I used to pack the dabba and take, and we used to sit in Jew garden and we used to eat and go for a walk in Jew beach and all that. That's how.
ये आपने राम सर की बात निकाली है. Where did you meet him for the first time?
So I was telling you that in the final year of my BCom, after the exams, I had nothing to do that time. So there was this Scholars Academy, there was this Gandhi Section Bhavan school. And I don't know how I met these people, I don't know. So there was this lady, she said, I joined the school, sorry first. I joined the school for 1 year. After BCom, I joined the school immediately. And there I met one teacher, a Gujarati teacher, Beena Bain, her name was Beena Bain something. So she saw me, she's saying, are you interested? There is this doctor family in Vilipala, opposite that helipad. उधर है, आप उसका बड़ा हॉस्पिटल है, आप आओ. He takes a tour to Mahabaleshwar this full May vacation. तो आपने स्कूल में जॉब किया 1 साल. And and I was keen on doing my, after waiting for my keen on doing my teacher's course after that BCom. So then she met me, and during this May holidays, she told me come. So I asked my parents. I said, see, this is something like that. So my parents said, okay, but the Beena Bain came home because my parents won't send a young girl like this to with somebody like that. So she came home. She explained. She gave the doctor's name, phone number, everything, and saying Aviteche, and I forgot the name of the doctor also. Saying he has a bungalow in Mahabaleshwar. He takes it on hire, and tourists go from Bombay. Every 4 days, the tourist buses are arranged, and it's a rotation. Full May vacation, we do that.
So you went there as a?
I went as a tourist, as a guide.
You went there as a guide?
As a guide.
How old were you?
BCom means how old I was? 21, 22,
21, okay.
Like that it must be 18, 20. Yeah.
So आप अकेले with obviously this Beena Bain, आप लोग महाबलेश्वर गए?
No, and then what happened? Beena Bain saw my sister also.
Okay.
So she's saying, हमें इन्हें पण ले जाऊँ छू, क्योंकि 2 bungalows थे, तो एक माँ उषा रेसे, एक माँ दक्षा रेसे करीने.
अच्छा, दो गाइड भी मिल गए.
दो गाइड भी मिल गए, and they paid us. It was not free. So and रहने का, खाने का, पीने का, 4 दिन उधर मजा करने का. Means full month we were there. Both Daksha and I both were there full month. She was in this bungalow, I was in the other bungalow. And it was fun. It was really fun. And Ram came as a tourist over there.
Are you serious?
He with his 4 friends.
So, you were a tourist guide, and he met you as a tourist.
As a guide there.
मतलब वो tourist थे और आप guide थे.
Guide थे.
That's how you all met for the first time.
And I just happened to like सब normal कैसे बात करते हैं, जैसे normal सबके साथ बात कर रही थी.
फिर?
He suddenly liked or whatever it was, I don't know. Then
नहीं, I'm sorry, I want to know. क्या हुआ वहाँ पे?
कुछ नहीं, as a guide we were.
नहीं, आप guide थे. He came as a tourist.
So listen, the next part of it. Then I forgot all about it. I never knew.
तो वहाँ पे कुछ बातें नहीं हुई आपकी?
जो मैं normal सबके साथ guide को explain कर रही हूँ, और we used to go to that one fort also was there. महाबलेश्वर पूरा घुमाते थे हम लोग. Lake लेके जाते थे, ये लेके जाते. And I was very talker, like you know, confident person, young person, talker and all that. And when they used to go to the lake, and I used to sit in the bus only. I never used to go down and talk to them individually. I never spoke to anyone. So what happened after everything was over in May? I got a call from my teacher's training. I had applied for my course and I had gone for the exam and everything. And I got a call that I will be, I've got my course ka, admission and all that. So I was very happy. So June I came, May end or June first week we came back. I joined my college. You won't believe, after 1 year, okay, first year ka college mein I met him. Yeah, I think maybe about 3-4 months later, he was also from Vilipala East, and I'm from Vilipala West. So he used to come from Churchgate or whatever, and I used to board this train from Bombay Central. So he saw me at the railway station when the train passed, and he saw that I'm boarding the same train.
क्या बात कर रहे हो आप?
Listen.
So you're saying you met in Panchgani?
Yes.
Never met for 3 months?
Yeah, 3 to 4 months or 6 months you can say. I can't remember those dates.
6 महीने ले लो.
And then there was only one bridge from Vilipala to go cross over to east or west, whatever it was. He waited at the bridge. He knew that that's the only way I'll come there, and that's how he caught me and never left me after that.
क्या बात कर रहे हो आप?
Yes, that children also laugh at it. Destiny.
So had he not boarded the train that day?
Yes.
You all would have
never have met. Yes, never have met.
Are you serious?
Really serious.
So पंचगनी में कुछ नहीं हुआ?
पंचगनी में कुछ भी नहीं हुआ.
कोई bonfire नहीं था?
कुछ भी नहीं. But he was maybe attracted by a lot of other things, maybe my speech or maybe by the way I talk or maybe I entangle with people or speak or whatever it was. Means I only remember that part actually.
नहीं, bridge पे आप जब मिले, तो क्या हुआ?
Bridge के नीचे मिले, and then I recognized him actually, and he recognized me, and we both recognized each other. That's it. But afterwards we started speaking to each other.
तो नंबर exchange किया आपने?
वो जमाने में phone किधर थे?
तो कैसे बात हुई?
Letters. His love letters are all with Sayukta. We used to meet at the same time at the platform Vilipala every day.
और लेटर देते थे एक दूसरे को?
लेटर बाद में वो भेजते भी थे और बुक में भी लिख के देते थे एंड ऑल दैट वी यूज्ड टू एक्सचेंज लेटर्स एंड ऑल दैट.
We are recording this, right?
And then, and all the love letters original are all with Sayukta.
Why does she have it?
Because she found them.
So you
And
all,
I've preserved it. Can you imagine? 34 years of my marriage. 86 में शादी हुआ हम लोग का.
so you all met at Parla station.
Yes. After that, he never left me. We used to go on weekends for Juhu Beach, go for walks, and hand in hand हम लोग घूमते थे, खाना लेके जाते थे. वो सब बहुत मजा किया, बहुत मजा किया, बहुत मजा किया. And after 2 years only we got married.
तो पता है मैं इसलिए आपसे ये जानना चाह रहा था आपके लव लाइफ के बारे में, क्योंकि आप ये बोल रहे हो कि आप राम अंकल को या यू मेट अ सर्टेन स्ट्रेंजर एट पंचकनी, यू मेट दैट स्ट्रेंजर अगेन एट विलेपार्ले स्टेशन
Yes.
एंड यू ऑल फेल इन लव, राइट?
Slowly.
Slowly,
Took time,
slowly, right? You took time.
For him it was immediate. For me it was like time.
But were you convinced that you wanted to marry him?
Yeah. Means yes, I was. Somehow I don't know, Ishan. Maybe maturity or maybe circumstances or whatever led me, and I followed it.
उसके पहले आपका कोई किसी you never had a boyfriend, you never fell in love?
No. I had friends, but
Okay.
no boyfriend as such. No falling in love with anybody. I never had those feelings only, actually.
Okay.
कि इससे शादी करना है या मेरा दोस्त है उसके साथ घूमना है फिर नहीं, वो सब था ही नहीं.
So
With Ram के
with
साथ
Ram
ही
it was
घूमते थे, yeah.
a genuine feeling.
Genuine feeling because he was already working in State Bank of India and I was still in my teachers training course.
Got it.
हाँ, and luckily very mature person, highly educated, coming from a very cultured background.
Cultured का क्या मतलब होता है?
Culture का मतलब है क्या कि never utters a bad word in his life.
Okay.
Never says stupid or idiot in his life. I will say all the bad words. He will not utter a bad word. Prayers, proper prayers. Mother-in-law was superb, unbeatable. The way she brought up 3 gems in her life, 3 boys in her life. I still adore her for bringing what gems, the discipline that she's put in her boys and all that. So that kind of, I'd say, honesty
Got
to the
it.
core and all that, yes.
Good
And
boys.
highly qualified. Ram is also qualified. Only luck नहीं था थोड़ा बहुत. That only. But mother-in-law used to tell me afterwards, I should have forced him. No, I should have forced him to do this. No, I should have forced him. अम्मा को feel होता था.
Got it.
But otherwise, I have no regrets with my Ram because he's really like Bhagwan Ram only for me. Really, truly,
But भगवान
genuine.
राम ने तो सीता को छोड़ दिया
छोड़
था.
वही 14 मास का वनवास घूम हम लोग दोनों वही कर रहे हैं ना अभी.
तो आप ये बोल रहे हो कि जैसे राम वनवास पे गए थे, यहाँ पे भी हमारे राम
Yes,
हरेन
yes.
वर्षा.
It's not that one thing, Ishan. It's not that we had a lovey-dovey life throughout our 37 years or 34 years or 36 years, whatever you call it. We also used to have ups and downs in
तो
our life.
आपका जब when you started dating in our language, जो आप लोग उसको dating नहीं बोलते थे, आपकी कभी लड़ाई झगड़ा, कभी
नहीं,
ब्रेकअप कभी नहीं हुआ?
कभी नहीं हुआ.
वो 2 सालों में कभी भी ब्रेकअप नहीं हुआ?
कभी नहीं ब्रेकअप हुआ, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ.
So you both of you were like इसको नहीं छोड़ना है.
हाँ, दोनों को ऐसा था.
And both the families accepted you all?
Yes, lovingly, happily.
They didn't have this thing of intercaste?
No, nothing.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
That's really
वो जमाने
surprising
में
यार.
really बोला डेस्टिनी.
कैसी थी आपकी शादी? कहाँ पे की थी?
ओके, हम लोग ने सी वी डिडंट वांट टू स्पेंड मनी बिकॉज फाइनेंशियल कंडीशंस दोनों घर के मींस ओके था बट वी डिडंट वांट टू फोर्स like we didn't work because he was already working, so he was very keen on getting a house first. So we booked a Dombili house.
Okay.
Proper nice big house.
Your first house?
My first house, Dombili.
Okay.
So बोला शादी के बाद because mother-in-law के घर में थोड़ा restrictions था because they are Brahmins, proper
Okay.
Iyer Brahmins.
Got it.
तो
The
periods
South-
में हाँ
South Indian,
periods
yeah.
में ना 4 दिन किचन में नहीं जाने का, 4 दिन ये नहीं करने का वो जमाने में. And अम्मा used to be very particular about those things. तो राम से वो 4 days हम लोग डोंबली जाके रहेंगे.
Got it.
तो
like a weekend house.
वीकेंड हाउस. सो हम लोग महीने में 4 दिन जाके रहते थे उधर. एंड बिकॉज अम्मा was particular about certain things, so and why to बेचारे
Yeah,
trouble her
fair,
and,
yeah.
and we were very means I was very open and she was also very open and very keen, so we used to go and stay there. तो वो सब हो गया उसके बाद and Dombili then we stayed and I got pregnant after 6 months of marriage. I got pregnant and all, and then suddenly something happened to Ram.
Okay.
And he's saying, no, I don't want to stay in Dombili. And we were staying in Dombili. After 6 months of my marriage, we permanently we shifted to Dombili. Okay, we'll stay in Dombili only. And then when I got pregnant and I was traveling to school and all that, one fine day something
So you were
happened.
working while you were like when you got married?
Yes.
So you guys fell in love.
We fell in
At
love.
that time you were doing a teachers program.
Yes, my 2 years हो गया टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग. It was my proper two years training period. उसके बाद मेरा जॉब भी रामनी टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में देखा गोदरेज स्कूल का.
So you were a teacher at Godrej School.
I was teacher at Godrej School after my training. Straight
Okay.
first job.
Which was in?
1985.
कहाँ पे?
गोदरेज में.
Godrej कहाँ पे?
विक्रोली.
Vikhroli. Okay.
Vikroli, Godrej में 1985 I joined the school. 1986 I got married.
अच्छा.
1 year down the line.
So you were a teacher at the time
1
of
year,
your marriage.
yeah. 1 year
Okay.
हो गया था जॉब को. And April 16th we got married. 1986. April 16, 1986 we got married. After marriage 6 months we were with अम्मा अप्पा in Villepala.
Got it.
But घर ले के रखा था हम
Got
लोगों ने.
it.
And then we shifted after 6 months, 6 to 7 months down the line, we shifted to Dombivli. And then I conceived and I was pregnant with Abhishek. Then one fine day, Ram को लगा नहीं, I don't want to stay here anymore.
क्यों?
Let's go back to अम्मा अप्पा करके. Suddenly
क्यों?
क्या हुआ मालूम नहीं.
You don't have an answer to that.
I don't have an answer to that.
Okay.
So I said okay, we'll go back करके. तो we went back. फिर अम्मा ने वो सेरेमनी सब किया and all. And 7 month में I went back to मम्मी's place.
Okay.
तो मम्मी के साथ अप एंड डाउन में करती थी. स्कूल में भी थी और डोंबिवली से भी मैं. आई यूज्ड टू गो एंड मीट मम्मी एवरी one day of the week after school straight. I used to go and meet her.
Okay.
And every Saturday used to be a half day. So I used to go to be with mummy. She would wait for me. We would have lunch together. I would spend the day with her. Evening I would go back to Dombivli.
आप जिस जब आप अपनी सासू माँ की बात कर रहे हो, there's a very wide smile on your face. This is very unlike how Bahurani and Sasu Ma's.
She was a wonderful, rational, logical person. I've never met someone like her in my life.
ऐसा क्या था उनके what was the model?
She also has come up the hard way in life. She was from Kerala. They had to migrate to Mumbai because of the conditions and job and everything and money. And she and my father-in-law had 11 years gap in them. 11 years is too much. So when she had her third boy, Ram ka chota bhai, third boy, father-in-law became very sick and suddenly blood started oozing from his ears and high blood pressure. He
Okay.
shot up and nose से कान से सब blood आने लगा आँख से सब. Amma got scared. So imagine, she's saying third boy का born हो गया and if anything happens to Appa, what she will do करके. She did her teacher's training and she became a teacher.
She was also a teacher.
She became a teacher but after the third boy. She took a training 6 months and she joined Cosmopolitan School, Barfiwala School it is called today, in Andheri. She struggled.
So did you all connect as teachers or you had
No, not connect as teachers, but like
you had pure love for each other?
love for each
Respect
other.
for each other.
Yes. And I'll tell you one incident what happened. Sayukta and Abhishek both went to Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Ashram.
Okay.
One December when there was a deluge in down there.
मुझे नहीं पता.
December में हुआ था that in Malaysia down that what happened? Tsunami. That something happened.
Correct. There
So
was
that was
tsunami.
24 December, 26 December
26
something.
December.
26 December
Yes.
there was. So that time both mother-in-law and I were in Mangalore doing darshan, pilgrimage for 10 days.
Okay.
Both we alone. Because Sayukta and Abhishek left for this. I was all alone. Ram was not here. So I said, Amma, come, no, I want to go to all the temples. So Amma said, come, we both of us. Not knowing the language, not knowing anything. And Shekhar is the younger one. He was so saying, ये दोनों जा रहे हैं ऐसे ही without booking. बस में हम लोग तो निकल पड़े. 7 दिन का ट्रिप मार के सब दर्शन करके वापस भी आ गए.
So you all were friends.
We were more friends.
You were
I'm
more
always
than each
friends with everyone. छोटा से बड़ा से सबके साथ.
other. You miss
I
her.
make friends with everyone. I told you, with everyone I make friends.
And obviously now that you're talking about it, do you miss her?
I miss both my mother and mother-in-law. I wish they could see the progress of my children. They could see their marriage. Nobody goes so early. My mother-in-law, especially my mother. Mother to ठीक था. She saw Abhishek and Sayukta both.
Mother-in-law didn't get a chance.
Mother-in-law didn't get. No, she saw. Of course, she's a blessed. She was there with 10th standard with Sayukta. And Amma's letter I have preserved. I will show you if we get time. It's in the diary. Amma's handwriting, more beautiful handwriting. She wrote a lovely letter. Abhishek, now I will start praying for your IIT. In 12th standard, we went to give sweets. In 10th standard, Abhishek stood first in the college, in school. His name is there on the board. And Then Abhishek joined Kharagpur and he went to BITS. What is this place? KP से ही है, when he went there, I'll get it, now I'm talking now. So he went there to study for his IIT entrance. So when he went there, Sayukta was in 9th standard for studying for the 10th standard. So Amma stayed with Sayukta and I went Kota. Abhishek was in Kota. So I went to be with Abhishek because that time the mess was all closed. There were vacation time. And Sayukta could not travel or I could not leave Sayukta alone because the 10th standard classes शुरू हो गया था. So Amma stayed with Sayukta and I went to Kota to be with Abhishek for that 1 full month so that I can take care of his khana, pina and everything because and his partner had already come back to Mumbai. So he was all alone and the mess was not there. So I stayed with him. Amma stayed with Sayukta's and that it was October or May vacation, May. I think it was May holidays something and that November Amma passed away.
So were you were there around her when she passed away?
Yes. Ram was not there. When I came back from Kota that same day Shekhar and I said Amma stay with me for 1 or 2 days. I brought sari and all from her from Kota, that proper typical cotton sari and all. I must stay. Amma saying no, I'll go back karke. So Amma went back. I think it was 3 or 4 months down the line she passed away in November.
The health?
December 14 she passed away. I think it was September, October I think I had gone. Abhishek के time मुझे याद नहीं है because 3 months ही बचा था and December 14 she passed away.
आपको genuinely लगा था कि और
नहीं December 14 she passed away.
तो आपको लगा था कि और समय बिता सकते थे साथ में?
Oh बहुत अच्छा से she could have lived another 10. Her mother who lived with her died at 87. Amma died at 72 or 74. So वो मुझे थोड़ा hurt होता था and Amma had given up actually, she had given up like बस हो गया अभी मेरे को नहीं रहने का है.
आपने अपने खुद की मदर का और खुद की मदर इन लॉ का सामने आपके सामने ही डेथ हुआ है उनका, करेक्ट?
हाँ.
Do you fear?
No, please no. That I've seen my father, my mother going. Mother तो मेरे सामने ही off हो गया है, मेरी आँख के सामने. No, I don't fear. I'm a very strong, bold person. I don't fear anything in life. Nothing surprises me in life, Ishan, you know that? Nothing surprises me. Today you give me a shocking news also, I'll not be surprised. So maybe I've gone through that stage in life throughout. Nothing surprises me, nothing shocks me, nothing, no.
When your husband told you that he wanted to go abroad to work, उस टाइम पे तो सरप्राइज हुआ होगा ना?
No, in fact it was a mutual understanding between both of us.
How did that work out? मुझे आपने बताया वो SBI में काम करते थे.
See what happened?
फिर आपकी शादी हुई, करेक्ट?
हम लोग की शादी हो गई, अभिषेक हो गया, संयुक्ता हो गया. I got Godrej में quarters में 1991. 91 Sayukta was born. 93 I got quarters.
Okay, in Vikhroli only.
In Vikhroli, Godrej quarters, first house.
So from Parla you moved to Dombivli, from Dombivli you moved to Vikhroli.
Parla to Kannamma Nagar, Tagore Nagar, and then I got quarters because in those days Godrej was not giving a house.
So this was your fifth house already.
I didn't want to quit. See what happened when Abhishek was born. I was ready to quit my job and stay in Dombivli with my son and my husband. My mother was the one who said, "हम लोग को तो means she used to say that whatever money we had, it was not enough. You have got a lovely job. I will take care of your son. You go to work. Do not give up your job." And because of mummy's promise and mummy was there with me, supporting me, I took up my job. I continued my job. I was about to quit my job. I already given a resignation to Miss Choksi. Miss Choksi said, "I will not accept it. You keep it," because she was very fond of me, and I was a hard worker, a good teacher, and they don't want to give up on good people So then I spoke to mummy. Mummy said, "No, don't give up your job. Dhane Bhagwan dikro apyo che, atli saras job che." So then Ram and I stayed in Dombivli, went back to Dombivli again. See what happened, the circumstances in Villeparla East where my in-laws were there were not working out for both Ram and me actually. Not working out so much like. Though the love and affection was there, but my brother-in-law and sister-in-law were already in that house.
Got it. It was not comfortable for everyone.
Not comfortable. And they were like, like...
It's okay, I understand.
So I don't want to poke into it. I don't want to criticize anyone.
Exactly,
So things were not working, and luckily we had a house. Why not go and stay?
Why not be there?
Dombivli ka line mein hi Vikhroli hai. It's not that I have to change from Villeparla. There was no direct line.
Correct.
Western to Central जाते मेरा दम निकलता था. This is private. Arey, one day I forgot my dabba on the table. Ram came all the way on his way to office. He dropped to Vikhroli, got down to Vikhroli, gave my dabba and went to office. So that kind of it was life.
तो इतना उन लोगों ने obviously he was in so close proximity to you.
Yes.
ऐसा क्या हुआ that you all decided that he should move?
Yeah, he should move. What happened? In those days, salaries were not much. Godrej was also not paying me so much because that fifth pay commission had come in and some lafda hua tha salary ka. And he was also not drawing much from State Bank of India in those days. And we foolishly, because of my insecurity, we booked a house in Mulund.
डोंबिवली में ऑलरेडी घर था.
डोंबिवली का घर बेच के हम लोग ने मुलुंड में बुक किया.
Okay.
And those days, the prices or the home loan was 15% and all. In those days, it
Okay.
was very high. We could not make ends meet. दोनों बच्चे लोग हैं. Those school fees were nothing for me. There were hardly full year का कुछ. I used to pay some 23 rupees or 26 rupees in those days. But we could not afford the expenses, and I used to always give the best to my children. My food is concerned, my clothes, everything is concerned. Then we decided कि EMI match नहीं हो रहा है, loan housing loan का ये लफड़ा हो रहा है, वो लफड़ा है. So he decided to go to Saudi. But SBI का job continue करके I used to give doctor's certificate, and that's how we continued for 1 year.
तो क्या? He was
SBI
on
चालू था.
So he was working in SBI,
But he was
drawing
abroad.
a salary.
And he was abroad. No drawing salary, something sick leave या कुछ भी
Got it.
excuses.
Got it.
And he was in Saudi.
Okay.
1 year.
What was he doing there?
Then he was working in a company. No, don't ask me which company.
That's fine. That's fine.
So he went to Saudi. He worked for 13 months, 12 months or 11 months he worked. He came back, and luckily SBI brought voluntary retirement.
Okay.
So he handed over all the documents, took all the money, paid Mulund house का जो भी EMI था वो सब भर दिया, loan वोन सब हो गया, कुछ नहीं बचा because hardly कुछ पैसा बचा था तभी, and that's how we managed. And then
तो मुलुंड का घर सॉर्ट हो गया अभी.
मुलुंड का घर सॉर्ट हो गया.
हाँ.
एंड मुलुंड का घर रेंट पे भी गया था मेरा. फिर आराम से हो रहा था. एंड राम गॉट इमीडिएटली अ जॉब. नाउ SBI भी नहीं है, सऊदी भी से भी वापस आ गए. ही इमीडिएटली गॉट अ जॉब इन मस्कत,
Okay.
Oman. So he was there in Oman for 2-3 years then. And we had our vacation in Oman, first vacation, all full family. We went to Oman. Oman se he went to Dubai, because Oman only office sent him to Dubai. So we again had a full family vacation in Dubai also. My May holidays means we used to go.
तो
Oman
अभी-
full month,
Now, Ram sir has already moved to Muscat.
Muscat.
Now, full year he was there.
Yes, full year he was there. And he used to come once and we used to go once. Full
Got
month,
it.
30 days we used to
Got
spend
it.
with him.
Got
30
it.
days in Oman with Sayukta, Abhishek, me and Ram. Enjoy. He used to have a car also. We used to drive around, go to beaches and all that. Had a lot of fun. Then he went to Dubai. From Oman only the office had sent him to Dubai for this. So in Dubai what happened? Dubai things are very, very expensive in those days also. So he used to stay as a paying guest. So paying guest. So what he did, he booked a studio apartment for us. So we lived in a proper studio hotel. So where the kitchen was also there, bedrooms were there, everything was there. We spent up everything. In those days when Sayukta was in around 6th standard and Abhishek was in 9th or whatever, 8th or some, I don't remember now. And इतना खर्चा किया, 2 लाख उड़ा के आया वो जमाने में. Yes, all those beaches and there's some amusement park, and we had a lot of fun, but we enjoyed. Family life was good, and Ram also will see the children. He's a very, very loving father, great father, because his father was great towards the children, boys.
पर
Never
मेरे को डोंट फील बैड अबाउट इट, बट जब हम बात कर रहे थे तो मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि ही मूव टू दुबई बिकॉज ऑफ फाइनेंशियल रीजंस, राइट? कि वो लोन चुकाना था. लोन तो चुक गया आपके VRS से.
हाँ.
Why did he not come back after that?
Because we have to earn, children have to study,
But
they
he
have
could
to
have
educate themselves.
he could have taken up another job in India, no?
India में किधर था? See, I'll tell you what had happened. Good you brought up this point, and this reminds me something. Ram is a very posh person. Very, very, like, you know, he doesn't like anybody touching him or near him like that. You know, if suppose you're walking or in the train or something. Once when he came, we were in Vikhroli, X95 quarters, and he used to come, take the Dombili train. He used to come by first class and go by first class. He had a pass and all that. One day he had tears in his eyes. Is this how a human being should live? Means like goats and how like herd I'm coming and I'm going like this. I don't want this kind of life. And that's how he moved abroad. Because he could not, and I didn't want to force him for anything in life. He was very happy. He was very happy living on his own. See, I want to tell you a little background this, okay? The little background is this, कि Ram ka grandfather, like Amma's father, after having children, he became a sannyasi.
Okay.
Literally a sannyasi. He left the home and he went away, nobody knows where.
Okay.
Party is the grandmother, Amma's Amma, stayed with Amma all her life. Ram ka Sagga Mama, he was also in a bank. Sagga Mama, he was in a bank. After retirement, he joined Rishikesh में रहे वो. Wife बच्चे लोग को छोड़ के.
Got it.
Sagga Mama.
Got it.
So the trend was there, and Amma always said कि my father, they have the grandfather's name to the grandson. So Ramakrishna was his grandfather's name. Ramakrishna is his name. And my son also had turned out like that in 12th standard. Shri Shri Ravi Shankar का आश्रम में मेरा गलती से हुआ, and he wanted to join that ashram, and I put my foot down. I became like one Jagajali, nothing doing. My son, I told him, you complete all your education and then go join the ashram. I don't mind, but complete all your. In 12th standard, I will never. I broke his mobile. And Sayukta started crying, Mummy, what are you doing? Anna, no. Mummy, Anna ke sath sammat. Mummy, what are you doing to Anna? Don't do this to Anna. Don't fight with him. Don't. I put my foot down. Otherwise, he would have also gone to the. My husband is already like, you know.
So, uncle basically, obviously, family में ही ऐसा trend था कि they, after a point, got detached from the family. So, you're saying that's what somewhere did not bring him back to.
And see, I'll tell you one more thing. I don't know, somehow, I'm also like that. I mean, see, if you say a husband and wife means everything matters when husband and a wife are together. Like you must have a good sex life, you must have a good partnership together now. But you know, we never missed all those things because we were so engrossed and so busy in bringing up the children. My children are my life.
पर आप क्यों नहीं गए?
मैं जाती थी हर एक वेकेशन में.
नहीं, पर अगर आज मेरी पत्नी को नौकरी अमेरिका में मिलेगी, हाँ. मैं 1-2 साल निकाल लूंगा, हाँ. ठीक है, लेकिन अगर मुझे पता है कि वो 20, 25, 30 साल वहाँ पे रहेगी, तो मैं भी वहाँ जाके रह लूंगा.
Middle East has no good education system.
Okay.
And I had a very good job in Godrej, and Godrej was one of the best schools in those days. Now also, I wanted both my children to study in Godrej.
तो आप बच्चों की वजह से नहीं गए?
Yes.
Okay.
And after studying, I know where my son will go and where my daughter will. They only selected their own path, and I just supported them. So I was not ready. And you know what, Ishan, when you are coming from a background where financial difficulties were always there all your life, you want to stick to one permanent job so that one permanent income is coming in.
Value रहती है.
Yeah. So वो तब मेरा strong power था वो सब. Nothing doing. I will stick to my job. You can dance. You can go wherever you want to go. You can come back, I'll come, go, we'll see, whatever. But I will keep my stand. I will not leave Godrej. Retirement is from Godrej.
So if I were to like simplify it, ये था कि uncle obviously is being able to earn a good amount of money in the Middle East, and you also had a stable job, and the kids were being raised well, yes. Right? And that was the objective कि घर में there was enough funds so that the children can get their best education. Correct. And get the best upbringing.
Yes.
But
Ishan, there was nobody in my life to give me a path. Like mom did not understand, or my father was not interested only, to be very honest. He was not interested only. He never knew in which class I'm studying in. 6th standard में, 7th में, कुछ मालूम ही नहीं था उनको actually. My father never knew all those things. I never wanted to do that to my children. Education is everything for me. If somebody had told me in those days, do this way, you'll go up this way, I would have done it. But there was nobody to guide. I really feel that there was nobody to guide me where my finances were concerned, or my education was concerned, or how my life should have been. Nobody was there. I really regret that. If I had someone, a godmother or a godfather standing behind me, I would have raised somewhere else. I don't regret how my life is today. Oh, it's wonderful. I've got the best of everything. My pride is my children. They are the best gift God has ever given me. Both my kids. Both my children are giving me so much of happiness you cannot imagine. You know Sayukta and Abhishek. Oh my God. They will not a single day goes by where Abhishek will not call me from Ireland. He will speak to me every day. He will speak to daddy in the morning while going to office, and he'll speak to me in the evening while leaving office. That's his time. So, and they share. Ishan, you'll be surprised. My children share everything with me. Even their sex life they share with me. Which parents? I'm so proud today. My children share every moment of the happiness, the sadness, whatever they are undergoing, they'll share. And that is what my pride and my reward, my life's reward is that. This thing is not my reward, materialist thing. That's my reward. And when I sit for my prayers, no, Ishan, I only cry with my gratitude sometimes. I'm only saying thank you, thank you, thank you for everything in life. Really.
Oh, that's actually, it's amazing to have.
Yeah.
I'm actually glad that I've met someone like you in my life now. I didn't know there was so many layers to it.
Yeah, it's okay.
पर पूरे बचपन में बच्चों ने पापा को मिस नहीं किया?
Talk, communication, doors are always 24 hours open.
तब तो ISD का खर्चा कितना आता होगा ना पहले?
Oh, कुछ नहीं, अभी we talk so much. अभी तो WhatsApp, अभी तो
नहीं, but ये मैं उनके बचपन के
नहीं, फिर no, but he left much late. No, once Ram asked Abhishek कि he stood first in 10 star, you know. He's saying, Abhishek, if you stood first in the और अगर मैं रहता था, डैडी अगर आप रहते थे, मैं कभी first नहीं आता था. Because you would not allow me to study only like that. But they have their own way of communicating with each other, like.
So obviously with Ram uncle going to the Middle East, the kids must have missed a father around, no?
They were also very busy with their studies. See, Godrej was a full day school. They used to leave in 8 o'clock in the morning. They used to come home at 4 o'clock. And then they had the maths and science teacher and Marathi Hindi tuition teacher weekends and all. And I saw to them they were always occupied. Never gave them any means, like, you know, freedom of getting it. You know, Ishan, we never had TV in our house.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Yes, you can ask the children also.
तभी बच्चे इतने अच्छे थे पढ़ाई में?
Yes. Reading. Never had TV in my house. We got Abhishek one black and white computer box. And he started playing Dave, the game Dave.
Correct.
He reached the level. Oh my God, he was that adamant and like karke rahunga karke वैसा type of a boy. We used to have a lot of puzzles, 200 pieces puzzle, 500 pieces. We used to sit down. We used to play, whatever game. Never, and whenever we used to travel, we used to play never-ending word games. So all these children have learned, picked up.
So you ensured both your children are basically attached to their education and serious about it.
Yes.
But आपको कभी lonely feel नहीं हुआ when he was away?
No, never. Because see, I believe home घर में ही खाना बनता था और घर में ही खाना बनाता था. And I used to cook. तो I used to be busy and मेरा स्कूल का टाइमिंग भी वैसा ही था. I used to leave for my job at 8 o'clock in the morning or 7:55 or something like that. I used to come home at 5 o'clock, full 9 hours, 8.5 hours school हुआ था मेरा. Private, because it was a private school, belonging to the company, so we were paid according to the company worker का level बाद में. तो timings were also that way.
So I actually wanted to ask you this thing क्योंकि मैं obviously आपसे ये सब इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ क्योंकि
So I occupy myself throughout. I keep my, and when time this, watch my Korean show on my iPad.
What did you just say?
Korean show on iPad.
I've heard this from multiple sources that you're an encyclopedia of Korean and Chinese shows.
Oh my God!
ये क्या side है आपका जो कोई नहीं जानता है?
संयुक्ता को blame करो.
Okay.
Sayukta has put me into this Korean show. I don't know how.
Okay.
And I have paid. You know what? She and many people like her generation or my school friend and my school student, one student of mine, she said, अरे विकी राकुटेन करके एक like Netflix and all करके एक है करके, and they're all Chinese and Korean shows. I paid money and I got it done for myself. I said, I'm going to watch all the Korean and Chinese shows.
And since then?
Huh?
And since then?
Since I think almost 2 years now, 3 years, practically I'm watching Korean shows. I get back to English show, I get bored, I come back to my Korean shows.
Do you understand Korean?
No, not at all. Just
Then?
1 or 2 words maybe.
तो आप सब subtitles पे
Yes, fully on subtitles. And I'm very fast. So I enjoy. And there's 1 or 2 Korean shows which I enjoyed so much that I watched a second time. I never repeat shows.
But what? Okay, now that we're talking about Korean shows, okay, I have never been able to even hear K-pop music. Forget K-dramas.
I don't know. Okay.
ऐसा क्या है K-dramas में जो इंडियन और हॉलीवुड मूवीज नहीं क्रैक कर पा
First
रहे
of all,
हैं?
they are very clean shows.
Okay.
They are not a naked scene. Kissing will be just one smooch, and no dirty scenes at all. But the storyline is a very, very strong storyline. Strong in the sense it's all about politics, mind games, how family plays, how family is like Asian. All Asians, if you see, men have more value in the family than the girls. Same they show there also. Korean shows mein. They also like believers ke ghar mein khana. They will ask you, normally in English shows and all, they will ask, first thing they ask is, what will you eat? मैं आज ये बना के दूँ क्या? That's what Korean shows are all about, like Indianized, but the storylines are powerful, means very powerful, and mainly the emperor, वो जमाने का Joseon period they call it. Those emperor stories, the politics they involved, and how the noble families and the lower caste families, they were like deprived of everything, and how dirty they were. I enjoy watching.
If you were to suggest me to watch my first K-drama, which show would you suggest?
Devil Judge, the Judge Devil or something like that.
Okay,
I
and
watched
why?
it twice, and like how smartly and how well he takes revenge on all the people. There's nothing like you can say, what, they don't have any fights or war or killing people at all, but with mind and with the games they play and how they take revenge.
आपका favorite actor कौन है?
Oh my, naam mere ko bol Kim Jo and Som Song and all. I cannot remember. There are 2-3 characters. I just adore them and I love them. Just adore and love them.
So like like always, because you like K-dramas, they come. Obviously, I've been brought up, seen a lot of Bollywood movies, liked a lot of Indian actors.
I like all of them.
आज अगर शाहरुख खान मेरे सामने आएगा तो I'll obviously have butterflies in my stomach and I'll be excited to see
Nothing for
him.
me.
But if you were to probably see a K-drama actor who you really like,
No, I'm not
No?
so fond of all those things.
You
I only
primarily-
enjoy watching bus. That's it for me. I told you that nothing shocks me or nothing surprises me. Only these drama ka stories are mind blowing. The way they make their series, it's really something we have to learn. And that day I was discussing with Sayukta. One of the reasons why they are so creative is because they are in their mother tongue. I told Sayukta, why do Marathi writers are so famous and why their books are so this? Because they all spoke Marathi, their books they're written are in Marathi. Anyone who learns their mother tongue and speaks in their mother tongue and studies in the mother tongue, their creativity is higher than why Chinese and Japanese and Koreans are today that powerful? Because of their language. They studied that only in school. English was the third language, like Marathi is this language karke. Now we are all studying in English. Of course, English has given us a superb base for everything in life, but still that thoda jo mind ka wo rehta na, as a teacher I always feel कि somewhere we are not that good because we did not study in our mother tongue. Where is our mother tongue today? We don't have any mother tongue. My family has no mother tongue only. Either you speak in English or Hindi.
Same.
We don't speak in our mother tongue anymore. Our children don't know what mother tongue is. Like she married a Bengali. What is a mother tongue? Khyati is a Kachi Vaishnav. Where Abhishek will learn, the children will learn. So this is what is happening slowly. But still, we are brilliant. We are hardworking. We believe in education, and we are doing our best.
You also mentioned about the entire aspect of how things have changed over time. जब आप बच्चे रहे होगे, जब आप in your younger days, तब ये सब कहाँ था?
कुछ भी नहीं था. Oh, that good you brought this point out. We had nothing to do, so we had all our free time. My father, I'm happy you brought this out. Really, my father, we would sit together for dinner, all of us. My father would discuss politics in the house. We used to have illustrated weekly in those days. I had preserved all those illustrated weekly. My father का पूरा Perry Mason का पूरा books था मेरे father का, उसका handwriting में उसका नाम के साथ. I had all those books. I shifted so many houses. Where I'll cart those. Finally, when I shifted my 4th house in Kannam in Vikroli area, I had to give away all those. Illustrated weekly was those long, this broad, you know, not those patla. अभी तो बंदी हो गया है. तो my father had subscription for this illustrated weekly, राजेंद्र प्रसाद का बारे में, इंदिरा गांधी के बारे में, and my father used to discuss everything with us as children. So I got engrossed in all those things. He used to discuss about Indira Gandhi, how she killed that railway minister in those days. उसका नाम भी था मिश्रा करके. My father used to discuss all those things with us. So yeah, well, though he may not be interested in all the other things about us, but he would talk about all these things.
There were conversations that happened.
Yeah, and our family, my mom also, always saw to it that communication goes on. Even my children see to it. If I'm little upset or if I'm upset with Ram, but still we will communicate. Even that upset also, I will tell him what is wrong, what is not going well, what is happening. So communication at any juncture, we have never stopped it. Because of that, children have never stopped. So even Sanyukta and Siddharth, Abhishek and Khyati will discuss. We'll talk about it.
पर आपको नहीं लगता कि over the years or over the decades conversations कम हो गए?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
मतलब आपके फैमिली में नहीं.
हाँ.
But
yes.
as a
वो
generation.
मोबाइल उठा के फेंक दो बाहर प्लीज. टीवी उठा के पहले फाड़ फेंको. मैं तो हर एक मेरा स्कूल में बच्चे को बोलती थी, माँ बाप को बोलती प्लीज वो मोबाइल उठा के बाहर, तो मोबाइल कबर्ड में रखो, 2 घंटा बच्चे के साथ स्पेंड करो. यस, इट हैड स्टार्टेड. वो मीटिंग में आ रहे हैं, बच्चा मोबाइल में गेम कर रहा है, माँ बात कर रही है टीचर के साथ. आई यूज्ड टू हेट दैट. आई यूज्ड टू टेल देम प्लीज स्पेंड टाइम, टेक योर चाइल्ड आउट, टॉक टू द चाइल्ड. Never did that.
पर
You know, every
ये जो
moment as my children grew up was for them. I never even left them for a minute. It's not that I was a maniac towards my children or
you were not obsessed with them.
Yeah, I was not obsessed. I just wanted to talk and see that they grow up well, and that's the trend continues.
नहीं, so this is actually a very interesting point of view that you've put out कि आप भी working थे.
Yes.
Ram uncle भी working थे.
Yes.
And both your kids are also, you know, they were very actively pursuing their education.
Yes.
आजकल क्या हो गया कि obviously मदर भी वर्किंग है, फादर भी वर्किंग है, और उस पूरे इकोसिस्टम में द चाइल्ड इज गेटिंग लेफ्ट आउट.
Yes. Totally left out.
बट व्हाट हैज चेंज्ड? वही नहीं समझ रहा हूँ मैं.
It's that I, me ego has come in.
बच्चों के साथ
Everything. मैं क्यों अकेली करूँ, हस्बैंड क्यों नहीं कर रहा है, हस्बैंड कहेगा मतलब मैं, अरे वाइफ कुछ नहीं कर रही है, मैं कितना करूँगा करके. सो दिस आई हैव नोटिस्ड फ्रॉम अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल लाइक दैट. If wife is going in the morning at 8 o'clock and husband also going, and they both are there on the weekends, they don't want to spend time with the child. The child evening में भी बात नहीं करते because they are tired. And it is really a very sad thing. When you brought a child to this world, you have to talk to the child. Please communicate. Children are getting neglected because they are not getting what they want. They are not getting, materialist thing is not helping. You talk, you play. I now when you were saying something now, it just struck me that every weekend Sunday we used to have this in the house. Like school में जाते थे ना, तो Sunday को morning में हम लोग रोज तो ब्रेकफास्ट करने का टाइम ही नहीं रहता था किसके पास भी. बिकॉज 8 बजे निकलना है, तो बच्चे लोग खाली बोर्नवीटा पी के जाते थे मॉर्निंग में. इवनिंग में आई यूज्ड टू कीप ऑन द टेबल बिकॉज दे यूज्ड टू कम एट 1 hour before me. Just 1 hour before me, and they used to get ready and go for their tuition, maths science tuition. The Abhisheka and Sanyukta used to play or whatever it was. And then that time Sunday, every Sunday, we used to get those brooms, you know, those hard brooms, and poha was fixed. So, and Ram would apply butter jam, and we'd all sit, all 4 of us, play games while eating. After that also we'll play a game, then prepare lunch. But we used to spend time. Study wise I never had any trouble because I used to just take up their weekend studies. कर लेती तो उन लोग homework अपना कर लेते थे. I never had any trouble with their education or anything as studies were concerned.
See, the way you are talking about your family, with touch wood, like even though you all are so distant, you all are so close to each other. अभी ये मैं कहावत में बोलूँ या कैसे बोलूँ कि आप सब में इतनी दूरी थी, लेकिन आप तब भी एक दूसरे से इतने क्लोज थे. अभी ऐसा क्यों हो गया कि सब एक साथ होके भी सब इतने दूर हो गए?
Mobile, please throw away that mobile.
एक वही चीज है.
हाँ, मोबाइल ही है सब कुछ. You know, Ishan, when we brought a computer in the house, or when we had a TV in the house, or though we never had any channels fixed or something, we had that VCR वो जमाने में. On Abhishek's birthday, imagine in those days 150 rupees का cassette आता था एक. तो I used to buy those 50th anniversary of Walt Disney का Tom and Jerry, Popeye, and Sinbad the Sailor, वो सब. We used to, the first movie that Abhishek saw from the VCR was Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. Then my friends gave me those Cinderella and Snow White were those beautiful, was a mimic with songs and on. So I even sings today. I invested a lot of money in books. Every vacation, Sayukta's birthday, Abhishek's birthday, I used to buy that whole Time Life set I brought. Abhishek ने पूरा Time Life का Childcraft का book वो black and white computer पे type किया, so he's typing improved, and plus he knows, he used to tell me, "Mummy, this page पे ये करके." So that's how we did it with the children.
You know, actually, now that you've brought this up, you've been a teacher for how
Yes.
long?
34 years.
Okay, now is where I want to get into. 34 years back, जब आप एज अ स्कूल टीचर ज्वाइन किए थे और जब आप रिटायर किए,
हाँ.
आपको बच्चों में फ़र्क लगा?
Both.
क्या था वो फ़र्क?
माँ बाप, I never blame a child even today. Ishan, I will never blame you. I'll blame your parents. If somewhere you're going wrong. If today my Abhishek acts a little bit of odd, I will blame myself that somewhere I have gone wrong there. So my son has done this today.
Okay.
करके तो I never blame a child.
तो आप क्या बोल रहे हो? 35 साल, मेरे को बताओ ना, फ़र्क बताओ दोनों.
Forever.
When you joined or when you in your earlier years of being a teacher, और जब आप ऑलमोस्ट अपने रिटायरमेंट स्टेज थे, क्या फ़र्क था बच्चों में?
फर्क बच्चा लोग में ये था कि तभी बच्चे, माँ बाप खाली बच्चे लोग के लिए ही थे. Children were all for the parents and children used to listen because they were not influenced by the social media. They were not influenced by anything. माँ बाप बोलेंगे तो प्यार से सुनते भी थे, और एक थप्पड़ भी मारा तो माँ बाप का सुनते थे कि नहीं क्यों मारा करके. Of course we never hit our children, but still we were always there for the children. संयुक्ता को याद है कि I had hit her once, and she said the reason was she was making a lot of fuss over खाना. Some food she was not ready to eat, chapati bhaji or whatever. So she's saying, "Mummy, you ran up and you ran behind me to see to it that I eat." करके ऐसा कुछ नाटक था. She remembers, I can't remember that. That was one of the reasons. The only main reason is, Ishan, please, as parents, there is nothing called me. It's for them. You cannot say, "I'm tired, now I'm going to sleep." You play on your own. No, dear. You cannot leave the child alone.
पर आप मुझे
Every
ये बताओ
waking
ना,
moment is for that child, which I told you first also.
पर आप मुझे ये बताओ, जब आप स्कूल में थे तब स्कूल की फीस क्या होती थी?
26 rupees. No, being a teacher. तभी बाहर के.
नहीं, being a teacher. When you were a teacher, what was the school fees?
13 rupees, 18 rupees per month. 13 rupees में देती थी. And संयुक्ता के टाइम 18 rupees per month था. Yes.
आज के तारीख में स्कूल की फीस
Oh
क्या
my
है?
God, more than 1 lakh 6 months का तो 1 लाख देने पड़ता है. 3 quarterly तो 2 लाख होता है. Yearly fees 2 lakhs.
तो अगर स्कूल की फीस जितना मुझे पता है, बॉम्बे में मुझे पता है कि 2 लाख से 12 लाख तक है फीस.
Yes.
इट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल कि वो इतना ज़्यादा स्कूल फीस एक अकेला पेरेंट
Correct.
निकाल पाए. तो ज़रूरी हो गया है
हाँ.
कि दोनों पेरेंट्स काम करें.
Correct.
और अगर दोनों पेरेंट्स काम कर रहे हैं, उनकी भी गलती नहीं है कि दे हैव टू रियली वर्क 24/7 टू मेक एंड्स मीट.
बराबर.
तो बच्चा कहीं ना कहीं,
Neglect होता ही है.
तो फिर इस चीज़ का सोल्यूशन क्या है?
Then please stay with your grandparents. Please see that you are not, मैं independent, माँ बाप नहीं चाहिए, ये नहीं चाहिए, वो नहीं. Live with someone. See that one of your grandparent is alive and your grandparent is there with the child.
पर
You
isn't that,
contribute. You also contribute to that. They also will contribute to that. You also contribute. You come home, you're tired, understandable, but that child is waiting for you the whole day. Don't understand that? आप खाली टॉय ला के दोगे, मोबाइल ला के दोगे, द बेस्ट ऑफ शूज यूल बाय फॉर द चाइल्ड, द बेस्ट ऑफ क्लोथ्स यूल बाय, द ब्रांडेड स्टफ ला के दोगे, क्या फायदा डियर? मेंटल ग्रोथ कहाँ हुआ डियर? फिजिकल ग्रोथ दिख रहा है, मेंटल ग्रोथ कहीं नहीं दिख रहा है बच्चे का. And then you're saying, no, all these, you're telling me now, loneliness आया, ये आया, वो है, कहीं ना कहीं किधर तो गलती हुआ है ना dear. Why I don't, my mother was a typical housewife. My mother-in-law struggled after the third boy was born. She went to work because she understood the financial
Importance.
difficulty. If the father-in-law को कुछ हो गया तो she will be, what she'll do with the 3 boys. So she took up a job late in her life. She must have worked for some 13-15 years only. बाकी का जो
So I'm asking again this to you because you were a teacher.
Yes.
And I'm sure आपके later years में आपने ये, आप कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ाते थे?
I was a primary class teacher.
Okay.
So from first standard, they gave me second standard sometime, they gave me third standard sometime, then they brought me back to first, second, third. So I was rotating first, second, third.
So you were obviously involved in the very nascent years of the
yes,
kid.
base of the year, base life of a child.
तो आपने ये जो बोला
6
कि
years to 10 years, 9 years तक.
तो आपने ये जो बोला कि जो मेंटल ग्रोथ नहीं हो पा रही है बच्चों की,
Yes.
डू यू ऑल्सो थिंक ये जो पूरा पिछले 3-4 सालों में जो मेंटल हेल्थ के ऊपर इतना हवा हो गया है या कॉन्वर्जेशंस हो रही हैं, इज इट ऑल मेकिंग सेंस टू यू?
Yes, it is making sense. How many parents today are reading to their child? You know what?
हाउ मेनी पेरेंट्स आर रीडिंग टू देमसेल्व्स?
हाँ, वो भी एक है. It's true, it's true, it's true.
So you're saying कि हाँ, what were you saying? How many parents are reading to their
Reading to their children. I still remember I used to take Sayukta on my lap and I used to read books. I still remember Abhishek को बैठ के पढ़ाती थी. The book used to face her and even he could not read. I said, okay Abhishek, find out all the F letter words for me. Then recognition of letters. Like, that's how we did. I used खाना खाने के टाइम टीवी कभी ऑन नहीं रहता. टीवी था ही नहीं तो ऑन के बुक्स लेके बैठती थी. खाना खिलाती थी मैं. हाथ से खाना खिलाती थी मैं दोनों को. तो तभी मैं बुक लेके बैठती थी पूरा रीड. आई यूज्ड टू रीड बुक्स टू देम. बुक्स. समटाइम्स आई रिमेंबर स्टिल वी यूज्ड टू सब्सक्राइब फॉर राम हैड व्हेन अभिषेक वाज बोर्न. तो 18 इयर्स का सब्सक्रिप्शन था वो. आई फॉरगॉट द नेम ऑफ द बुक्स. दिस इट वाज बाय दिस सांदीपनी आश्रम का चिन्मयानंद मिशन का बुक्स था. Lovely moral stories and lovely beautiful stories were there. So I used to read out to them, and sometimes when I used to get tired, Ram used to read. I said, Ram, now I'm tired, you'll read. So we used to read those. Tinkle I used to subscribe
Tinkle
for.
Digest, yes.
And Chanda Mama I got so many. Then I have all bookbinding. सब संयुक्त को भेजा. अभी घर शिफ्ट किया ना. I have sent all the books to Sayukta, and what a conversation she had with me when she saw those books. There was this parent who had come down from Delhi. Godrej ko, you know, na transfer cases used to happen.
Okay.
So this guy had come down from Delhi, 2 boys. The boy and some of our colleagues were already in the colony, na? Like we were there, PT teacher was there. तो बच्चा मेरी क्लास में था. तो I used to tell, और उसको छोटा बच्चा भाई भी हुआ. Naughty devil. तो freedom ही नहीं देता था बड़े भाई को नहीं. छोटे Father used to say, get angry, lock all the नहीं मैं अभी आपको खेलने नहीं दूंगा because आप सुनते नहीं हो. तो they said, हाँ, you lock it up, I don't want the toys. So I said, this is not the way to deal. What are you doing to the child? When the mother is taking care of that little fellow, or you're taking care of the little fellow, let the mother handle the elder one. You're not giving him time. वो रात को 9 बजे तक कॉलोनी में अकेले घूमता था. That Ravi sir, one of my PE teacher told me. कि सर टीचर आप क्या बात कर रहे हो, वो अकेला घूमता है 9 बजे तक. 7-year-old boy. Colony was quite safe, of course, very security. Godrej security was very strict. You cannot go out of the colony, but still, no, you know. So neglect is of the big. You know, you have to learn. आपको नहीं आता है तो किसको पूछो. हम बताते तो सुनो. टीचर बताती है आपको. प्लीज सुनो. बच्चे के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करो. मोबाइल को रख दो कबर्ड में 2 घंटे के लिए. मत देखो. बच्चे के साथ बात करो. मोबाइल पे बच्चा क्या सीखेगा.
पर मुझे एक दूसरी बात बताओ. अभी आप मैं बच्चों की बात तो वापस लाऊंगा ही, पर आपने बोला आप एक 5 भाई बहनों के परिवार में थे.
Yes.
आपके खुद के 2 बच्चे हुए शादी के बाद. ये एक और चीज़ हमारे ज़माने में और आपके ज़माने में मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अंतर दिख रहा है आजकल कि a lot of our peers, a lot of people around us are now preferring not to have children. क्योंकि मैनेज ही नहीं हो पा रहा है. आपने कैसे मैनेज किया ये? मतलब आई एम श्योर आप भी देख रहे होगे कि आपके बच्चों के दोस्त नॉट नेसेसरी सब बच्चे कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, they don't want to have children.
क्या ऐसा बदला है?
बहुत कुछ बदल गया. First of all, commitment, responsibility. Don't want to take any commitment. And they know their parents, like me. As Usha Iyer has taken so much care of Abhishek and Sayukta. They know कि how much effort mummy has put in their life, how much responsibility mummy has put in their life, how much money mummy has spent behind them. So they are dreading those things कि हम लोग से होगा कि नहीं होगा, हम लोग कर सकेंगे कि नहीं कर सकेंगे. So that hesitation is still there in the camp. And time, dear.
पर आप मुझे ये बताओ ना, आप एक तरफ बोल रहे हो कि बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स को टाइम नहीं दे रहे हैं, करेक्ट?
बच्चे अपने
पेरेंट्स को टाइम नहीं दे रहे हैं, सॉरी, पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को टाइम नहीं दे रहे हैं. और एक तरफ ये भी है कि कपल्स बच्चे नहीं कर रहे हैं.
नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Isn't it better not to have kids when you can't take care of them?
Yes, please do not have children if you cannot take care. मैंने संयुक्ता को भी बोला था. If you are having a child, she says, "Mommy, I will not regret." First only they both decided, and both Sayukta and Siddharth are not like me and Ram. Like full responsibility was mine. Ram was only part of it to be happy with the children and do all those things. But Siddharth is 100% for Sayukta, and they are both for the kid. That I'm giving you in guarantee.
Why are you giving me in guarantee?
No, but I'm giving. I'm sure, and I know myself that they will take good care and they'll do the best for their child. Because she'll make a wonderful mother because she's learned from her mother.
So you're taking the credit for it.
Yeah, I will take credit for it. And I know she tells me also. She openly tells me, "Mummy, because of you, I will be like that." करके. And
you know another thing जो मैं notice कर रहा हूँ कि obviously
and I'm like that because of my mother. Huh?
हाँ, that I figured that
Yes,
you already
it's because of my mother.
spoken about, and your mother-in-law.
And my mother-in-law,
Yeah.
of course.
But दूसरी चीज़ जो मैं notice कर रहा हूँ कि obviously there are so many new careers that have opened up and so many new avenues that have opened up. आपको नहीं लगता teaching as a space has taken a backseat?
Yes, very much, and it is sad.
तो मतलब जब बच्चे स्कूल भी जा रहे हैं, are quality teachers, मतलब are they getting the quality education even though the fees has become so much?
Not in Mumbai. Go to Bangalore, go to Pune, and some of the schools in Mumbai, but not all the schools in Mumbai. Maybe one or two, but otherwise, yes, totally bad. Totally bad. Now there are excellent schools in Pune, excellent schools in Bangalore, excellent schools in Calcutta. What education? You have to nothing. You have to just talk to your child. The child learns everything from school and comes.
मुझे ये बताओ,
You pay through your nose, but then you are sorted. You are really sorted. Because you just communicate and talk to the child. बस weekend spend करो अच्छा से. आपको weekend मिला, बच्चे को घूमने लेके जाओ, होटल लेके जाओ. नहीं. Weekend is for 100% for the child. That Saturday, Sunday, every moment is for the child. What you missed in the week, you better finish it off in the weekend. लेकिन माँ बाप नहीं करते हैं.
but you miss being a teacher?
No.
How come?
Not at all. Because full satisfaction for 34 years. Ishan, for me, my family was first. Then my job, then everything else in my life. I gave priority to my family first. So everything I did is for my family. Then my job. But full satisfaction I got from my job because I did my justice to my job. 100%. I never neglected a single child in my class. That guarantee is again.
You said you never neglected a single child in your class.
Yes.
But I've also heard that you might have given a lot of attention to the child in your class. But after the children moved on, you don't remember your students' names.
Yes.
How is that possible?
So beautiful it is. Such a
34
lovely
years.
Next batch.
नाम ही
Train
याद
them.
नहीं.
They remember me. Their parents remember me. अब कभी-कभी RCT में Usha teacher, they will scream because in our school we had a teacher का नाम से बुलाते थे. Because we never used to call them miss का word ही नहीं था. So that is one. But I'm happy that way. Today, don't you think? I'm sorted in my life.
आपको
baggages नहीं चाहिए मुझे.
आज तक आपको 34 years में एक भी स्टूडेंट का नाम ही याद नहीं है?
नहीं, मेरे को 2-3 बच्चे का बहुत
2-3 बच्चों का नाम याद है.
I know Abhay Kothare, I know Isha Gandhi, I know Sahil Gala because Sahil Gala became a doctor.
Okay.
And his parents were in touch with me, and they were my favorite, some of my favorite students. That batch was a brilliant student.
So all three are one batch?
Yeah, all were in one batch. Then there was another batch. They met me. I have some photographs also in my mobile. They came home. They all contacted me. Usha teacher, we want to meet you करके, and they all came home. 16 of them came home. I ordered food and all, and we had a nice time with them. हाँ.
तो आप जानबूझ के नाम याद नहीं रखते थे कि आप बस याद नहीं रहता था नाम?
याद नहीं रहता था. हाँ. But I enjoyed every moment with them.
पर कभी ऐसा हुआ कि 34 इज अ लॉन्ग टाइम,
हाँ.
कभी ऐसा हुआ कि कोई बच्चा पढ़ के गया है फिर उसका बच्चा भी आपके पास पढ़ के गया?
Yes, एक हुआ है.
एक
ही हुआ था.
How was it?
एक नहीं 2-3 है. एक अमित करके था, उसका बेटा भी था, तो वो मिलने को भी आया था मुझे. एंड देन आई सेड उषा टीचर ऑफ कोर्स. एंड बिकॉज क्या हुआ था, दीस गोदरेज स्कूल एम्प्लॉयज के बच्चे को ही लेते थे. तो अगर बच्चा पढ़ के एम्प्लॉय बना, उसका बच्चा आएगा तो ही अंदर आएगा, बिकॉज उसका बच्चा फिर जाना चाहिए ना गोदरेज में, तो ही मिलेगा ना. तो इट हैपेंड विद मी, 2-3 चिल्ड्रन लाइक दैट.
तो
So
उनको
you're employed with Godrej, then only you'll get admission in Udyachal, like. So it was there.
it was
But
something
there were
that
many children like that, but I had this occasion of only 2-3. One of my student became a teacher in the school.
oh wow
Pratiksha, she's in touch with me.
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
Yeah.
but आपके पूरे 35 साल की स्कूल की इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी रही, ऐसी कोई बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग इंसिडेंट जो आपको याद हो आज तक?
Interesting thing.
Any interesting story that or any interesting thing which you'll remember for life? कि
What
ऐसा
I
कुछ हुआ
remember
था?
for my life is how I handle them, like before the bell rings for the last period, because we are being a class teacher, we were all class teachers. So the children would go for music, the children would go for PE, but leaving different halls we had in our school, huge, beautiful Godrej school. So children used to go to art hall to learn art and craft twice. Music hall we are supposed to go once with them to participate, see the children singing and all that. PE they used to go outside in the halls and all. So the class teacher used to have that 1 period free or 2 period free in the class. So last period basically always the children used to be with the class teacher. So that I used to allot those 15 minutes in telling jokes.
Okay.
Yeah, and taking up tough mental maths games and all that. So they used to be all ready to go home, and that's all used to be fun with them. And they would wait for that.
So you kept this consistently throughout.
And when
Wow.
the principal would pass back, and the latest principal, Binay Pachoga, her son was with me in 2nd standard. So that boy still says कि yeah, Usha teacher का tinkle jokes अभी भी याद है करके. So I used to tell them jokes, read out to them, and I used to read out to them in the last bit sometimes. So it was a mixed thing, like reading out to them, sharing news with them, talking to them, talking about planets to them. So my consistent those 15 minutes I used to keep for them for conversation only, in general conversation, not forcing them for education, something
Obviously.
like general. So those were the best moments, and children used to enjoy, and they remember also. They really remember. And the best moments for me every year, we used to have project time. So project time was almost 3 weeks project time. I used to get totally engrossed and make my children so engrossed that there was this one batch where I did Egypt with them.
Oh wow.
So when I had the whole project displayed, we used to have a big hall. So suppose this area is given to me to display in my project. So when I used to have charts and everything, children's books were there. So that batch, a teacher, you have to take us to Egypt. Believe me, they went to high school also, they used to say, teacher, when are we going to Egypt? When are you going to see the Nile River? When are you going to see this? So can you imagine?
Did you do it?
Well, I have time to do that.
But if they get in touch with you now, would you want to go with them to Egypt?
If I get a chance, I'll go. Yeah. Ishan, what I missed most in my life was traveling. Really.
इतना तो ट्रैवल किया बॉम्बे के अंदर?
No, but I want to go. I want to go on my own. Really.
Why don't you do it?
I will do it, maybe. Tied down with the family, tied down with everything. I've never got my free moment that way. I am free, to be honestly. I'm independent. But I would like to really travel. That was my aim in life. To thoda घूम के आओ, थोड़ा countries देखो, थोड़ा beaches. I love beach. I love sea. I really love the sea. I really love the sea.
तो वही हुआ ना कहीं
हाँ, कुछ तो रह जाता है
गया
लाइफ में. यस. बट अभी आपने बात किया तो याद आया, नहीं तो मैं याद नहीं करती थी ये सब चीज़, कभी याद नहीं करती थी. बट अभी ये सब बात करते करते थोड़ा सा लगता है कि हाँ, थोड़ा ट्रैवल कर सकते थे करके, थोड़ा जा सकते थे. बट सी, आई टोल्ड यू ना, फाइनेंशियल रिस्ट्रेंट वाज देयर, नो ऑलवेज. हाउ कैन आई स्पेंड 2 lakhs on myself? correct? There were other important things waiting करके. So that bit, yes, I sometimes feel कि but अभी regret नहीं है. अभी बिल्कुल
Regret तो
regret
नहीं
नहीं है. बिल्कुल regret
Regret
नहीं
नहीं
है.
है.
I'm enjoying. I enjoyed.
But now that from what you've told me some time back that आपके राम का वनवास खत्म हो रहा है और वो वापस
Yes.
अयोध्या वापस आ रहे हैं.
Yes, yes.
तो क्या राम और सीता अभी दुनिया की सैर करने वाले हैं?
Yes, we are waiting. In fact, संयुक्ता का बच्चा 6-8 महीने के होने के बाद तो हम लोग जाने वाले हैं समझो. Don't worry. I told Ram we are going करके.
पर इतने
I said
साल
Ram, now you have come, no? You stay, I'm going. मैंने बोला भी no, I'll go wherever you want to go करके. He's telling me that I'll come with you everywhere करके.
So how many years have you and Ramsa stayed away?
Abhishek was in 9th standard, so my God, if you count back 20 years, you can say 20-21 years.
20-21 years of long distance.
Actually, last visit of mine to Bahrain was in 2014. 24, 10 years हो गया. उसके बाद मैंने ट्रिप नहीं किया कुछ भी abroad. 2014 was my last trip.
And also 1 month in the year,
Yeah,
right?
1 month in a year.
So
And
what-
he used to come twice, thrice in a year. No?
So what I'm trying to
3
ask,
times, 4 times he used to come sometimes. Short trips, 5 days, 6 days, but he used to come 3-4 times in a year.
नहीं
Yeah.
तो मैं आपसे बेसिकली ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि आप लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस कैसे किया आपने? मैंने कोशिश की थी अपने when I was in a relationship earlier in my life.
Happy person, mentally.
तो एक इंसान से थोड़ा ना होता है लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस, 2 इंसान इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. How did you all? How have no? It's not just you.
हाँ.
I've seen a lot of people in your generation जो दूर रह के भी उन्होंने अपनी relationships को बहुत intact रखा.
Yes.
So how did you keep your relationship intact even after being for so long in a long distance?
Because we have a family to discuss all the time. Abhishek to discuss, Sayita to discuss what is happening in my life, what is happening in your life. Everything. You know, Ishan, when he came back to Bombay after his Oman job, he lost his Oman job. Almost he lost actually. Dubai जाने के बाद, because he knew once he's going to Dubai that Oman job चला जाएगा करके. He knew that. So when he came back, he got a job and early morning, I used to go to school now. We used to have that cup of tea together, 40 minutes we used to talk together, 40 minutes every morning. Dinner, I used to wait for him, we used to wait, when he used to have dinner, I used to talk to him. I never allowed him to have dinner alone, I never allowed him to have anything alone. We are always together during those moments so that we can talk with each other.
तो आप अभी बोल रहे हो कि even though you all as a couple stay so far away from each other, you all are there with each other when in your moments of loneliness.
Yes, always there. We are not lonely, even he's not lonely.
Are you sure?
Yes.
He tells you.
Yes. We never get bored. There's nothing called bored in our life. There's no dictionary में word ही नहीं हम लोग का. Bored. I'm bored today. I don't know what to do now. For there are hundreds of things to do. Please. Hundreds of things to do.
How much time do you spend on the phone?
Hardly. Means on the phone talking to people.
Oh, on the phone, like screen time क्या है आपका?
खाली free cell खेलने का. I only play free cell.
Okay.
I love playing free cell. मेरा दिन का वो हो जाना चाहिए 3 games. Sometimes I keep on playing. So I spend about say half an hour playing. Sometimes means total in a day half an hour playing free cell. Means 10 minutes खेल लिया. अभी बोर हो गया तो 5 मिनट खेल. बोर हो गया means it's not a bore. Means I'm nothing to do. एक free cell खेल लेता है. That's it. I play free cell. Then I started playing this find the differences. I'm very good at it. तो वो एक अभी डाउनलोड किया अभी. तो that I sometimes play 1 or 2 in a day. And bas, that's it. Free cell. Achha, you know, I want to tell you this. Who taught me all this? Free cell, Abhishek.
Okay.
Watching all the shows, Abhishek. उसने मेरे को पहले से लगाया. Lost करके था one series and there was another one. Oh my God, that fellow who goes to jail and has all tattooed all over his body. Prison Break. Oh, mind blowing. That was my first series actually. Then Lost, he told me to see. Then slowly, I saw that other one also about Judge Advocate. That also I watched the whole series. So he used to bring hardness from Kharagpur. I used to sit and watch those shows. So that's what I'm occupied. I told you I never made friends. After school, I never went in the gossiping, never went alone anywhere, never went to a restaurant alone in my life, never went to a theatre alone in my life. So I'm enjoying. Temples, I went all alone in Mumbai city. सभी मूड आ गया ना तैयार होके सीधा सब टेम्पल्स चला गया सिद्धिविनायक महालक्ष्मी मुंबा देवी घर पे आ गया ऐसा सो दैट ऑल आई डिड
आप अपने एक्साइटमेंट से बता रहे हो ऑफ ऑल द थिंग्स दैट यू हैव डन इन योर अर्लियर लाइफ एंड
later on so now also I do sometimes if I'm in the mood would take a train ticket and go to VT, go all the darshan and come back. Listen,
आपको पैसे की वैल्यू है?
both है, इतनी नहीं है, मैं spend करती हूँ. You know yesterday where I went? Family does not know where I went. I went to IKEA. ओला बुक किया. सडनली कितना बजे 3 बजे कुछ ऐसा मूड आया कि नहीं मेरे को करना ही है बाबा, IKEA जाना है, मुझे देखना है, बाथरूम के लिए मुझे कुछ एक्सेसरीज चाहिए था. एंड गूगल में नहीं हुआ मेरे को, Amazon में भी नहीं हुआ. आई वाज नॉट हैप्पी, नॉट सैटिस्फाइड, नथिंग. आई बिंदास बुक्ड एन ओला. आई वेंट टू Turbay, Navi Mumbai, IKEA. What a beautiful. I roamed around. I went to first all the places, then I went to the market hall and I purchased. 16,000 का बिल बनाया. I was very happy, very satisfied. सुबह में खोला सब पैकेट्स, रात को खोला ही नहीं मैंने सब.
थक गए होगे.
And yesterday was Sankashti, so I had to cook, make food. Otherwise I was hungry. I didn't eat anything the whole day. तो कल फिर मेरा वो सामो का खिचड़ी बनाया, रात को खाया मस्त. AC में जाके बैठा उधर मस्त खाया पिया सो गया. I told you I sleep early, so slept and सुबह में उठ गया 4 o'clock and I started doing all my work.
आपको ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे जनरेशन को पैसे की इतनी वैल्यू
अकेला
नहीं
मैं
है?
जाती हूँ डियर. That is what independence is all about. Why women can't do, why they wait for the men to do that. Please do it on your own if you can do. The men can accompany you, but have the pleasure of doing what you want to do. That's a pleasure for me yesterday. Going, selecting, choosing, not liking, okay, keeping it back. Taking this, okay, this is good. I was thinking, when I had already thought in my mind what all I wanted. But then I like certain things, I brought certain things. Karke,
और आपने obviously you've told me about your one rendezvous that you had or a joy day you had at IKEA.
Yes.
But आपको ऐसा लगता है कि हमारी जनरेशन को वैल्यू नहीं है चीज़ों की?
Yes, बिल्कुल नहीं है. क्योंकि आप लोग को सब रेडीमेड मिल गया है.
तो आप ही ने तो दिया.
Yes, it's true. It is true. But still, what you got it from your parents, don't you inculcate it in your daily life?
I do agree.
करते हो ना?
We do agree.
Yes.
तो वो जो वैल्यूज आपको वैल्यू आई एम नॉट सेइंग वैल्यूज मिसिंग है बट मनी केम टू अस मच मोर इजीली देन इट केम टू यू ऑल.
So you all don't value money. Really don't value money.
ओके.
आज भी मैं खुद मार्केट जाके भाजी लेने को दूंगी इंस्टेड ऑफ ऑर्डरिंग फ्रॉम स्विगी और ऑर्डरिंग फ्रॉम भाजी, लाइक स्पेशली भाजी. व्हाई गो सिलेक्ट, नो go, it's okay. 1-2 रुपए का फर्क पड़ता है, ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता, but at least you have the pleasure of selecting, you have the pleasure of buying, you have the pleasure, but that you want to sit at home and order.
पर इंसान पैसे क्यों कमाता था कि थोड़ी कन्वीनियंस है ना लाइफ में?
इतना सारा convenience, better keep a cook in the house. That convenience you have, eat better food by having a cook in the house instead of ordering Zomato से या इधर से खाना या होटल रेस्टोरेंट से. Have a good cook, pay 10,000 15,000 to the cook, but eat healthy food. I prefer that. So value नहीं है पैसे का, वो मैं मानती हूँ. बिल्कुल वैल्यू नहीं है पैसे का.
ठीक है, आई एम श्योर कभी ना कभी आएगा.
You know, Ishan, every parent, whether I don't know about this generation, but my generation, our priority was our children. But the children's priority is never the parents.
That is, I'm sure that must have been in your case also.
Yes, but we have to learn here somewhere that they have to set up their own family so that they can bring those values in. So today I'm happy Saita's having a kid. She's going to have a kid karke. Because she will really then understand and bring out the best of her as a mother, and she'll value her parents more. Of course she values her 100%, but she'll know, okay, yes, this is how it should be done karke. This is how it should be karke.
Tell me one thing, obviously there are a lot of things that I have seen growing up जो आपके ज़माने में और हमारे ज़माने में बहुत अलग है. पर ऐसी एक चीज़ है जो आपको लगता है कि ना ये नहीं बदला है, ये सेम रहा है.
ये सेम रहा है मेरे ज़माने में, ये ज़माने में. Thing comes to my mind. Oh, it is shocking. 1 minute. Let me think.
सब बदल गया.
सब कुछ बदल गया रियोदी.
You're 63 now, ना?
I'm 63. I'll get over. Yeah, 63. 64 running, no? 64 running. Completed 63. 24, this is 1960, December born.
How do you feel now?
Very great. Very happy. Very satisfied.
Yeah.
No regrets in life. Except for when I told him I when Godfather, Godmother should have been there to progress. Like, हाँ वो लेकिन वो भी अभी इतना नहीं लग रहा है. Like happy, satisfied life. बस very good.
किसी चीज़ की कभी do you feel anxious?
Not at all. No anxiousness about
So
anything.
with the entire family in different parts of the world, anxiety never comes on to you.
No, doesn't bother me. Just doesn't bother me at all. Ever. Really.
अभी तो पैसा है ना? You have a
हाँ.
good amount of wealth in your
No.
this thing.
पैसा खाने पीने के लिए, घूमने फिरने के लिए, शॉपिंग करने का है, थोड़ा मन हुआ ये लेना है. Yes, enough. To suffice, like proper to suffice. Yes.
But what do you think is more important in life? Having a good amount of money or not having that much money but being there?
Being there. પૈસા તો આપણી in Gujarati there was a પૈસા તો મેલ છે આવે ને જાય means it will come and it will go but if you have a good life and good relationship with everybody that is very important.
Did you like this conversation?
Very much. Anything else you want to ask? Huh? For me to say, but certain things what you brought out I had forgotten like so I remembered certain things like Siddharth, Siddharth, I'm calling you, sorry. Ishan, my father never played a very important role in my life. Never played any important role in my life. So it was always, I told you, as women in my life were very stronger, so I've turned out to be a very stronger. My mother-in-law was always to say that I'm very bold and very independent. And I've made my Sanyukta also very bold and independent. So she was worried about that. So Amma, don't worry. She knows what she's doing and I know what I'm doing. But that's it.
Is this what you call feminism?
No, not at all, dear.
तो क्या feminism का क्या मतलब है आपके साथ?
Bullshit, it is all feminism. What is feminism? Feminism is that stupid, idiotic word where the women think, I will not enter the kitchen, I will not do this, I will not do that. The husband, are bullshit, yeah. You are a woman, you are a mother, you're going to be a mother, you are a woman, you have that joy, enjoy doing that. Just enjoy, God has given you that gift, please enjoy that gift. Please enjoy doing that.
So you're saying this is a more modern दुनिया का product है?
All rubbish it is. That's all rubbish. Women empowerment I will call like, bringing up the family. It's in women's hand, not a husband's hand. Let me tell you this. And I always think, if a woman is strong, the family is stronger. You know that today? My mother was not strong, so बिचारा कुछ नहीं कर सका life के अंदर. Understood? Because she was that typical housewife and a very docile kind of a person. But my mother-in-law was a little stronger, so she could uplift and she could bring up, she could do something for the family. Father-in-law was not, he will not open his mouth, but he will support my mother-in-law totally 100%. In fact, सुनाया भी था, एक बेटा ने you are teaching 40 children in the school, all the 3 boys married outside the community. He told me, Amma used to tell us this. We used to laugh, we used to laugh, that jokingly we used to laugh like that. So Amma was this is how it is, no? But you know what? It is up to each individual how you want to lead it. If I wanted to go on that path, so I did it.
Yeah, I think you totally aced it. So whichever path you did take, even though it didn't allow you to travel the world, it ensured that your children and your family traveled places.
Yes. And I'm happy in their glory.
You think it's valued?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very much. Very much. Very much. Really. I told you, I feel blessed all the time.
You like songs?
I love songs.
What's your favorite song?
All Kishore Kumar songs and Asha Bhosle songs.
One favorite song.
Safar ka gana.
कौन सा?
जिंदगी का सफर है ये कैसा सफर कोई समझा नहीं कोई जाना नहीं. It's all time favorite.
अभी भी सुनते हो आप?
कभी भी means ऐसा normally तो I listen all to my prayers only because मेरा prayer इतना रहता है कि मेरे को गाना सुनने को टाइम. पर कभी मूड आएगा तो I do listen. But sometimes, not always. But these are my old favorite songs.
Superb. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time today.